Thinking about starting your bonsai journey but worried it might be too complicated? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video from the Bonsai Barn, we'll explore the easiest outdoor bonsai trees for beginners. These hardy species are low maintenance and perfect for anyone starting out. Plus, we'll share some beginner tips to keep your bonsai thriving. Before we get started, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Why outdoor bonsai trees are great for beginners. Outdoor bonsai trees are a great choice because they thrive with natural light, fresh air, and seasonal changes. They're generally easier to care for compared to indoor bonsai since they grow in their natural environment. This makes them perfect for beginners who might not be ready to manage the more delicate care needs of indoor bonsai. What's your current setup? Do you keep your bonsai indoors or outside? Let us know in the comments. Let's find out our top 5 outdoor bonsai trees for beginners. 1. Boxwood bonsai. First up is the boxwood bonsai. This species is known for its dense green foliage and incredible durability. It can handle a wide range of conditions and is very forgiving if you're just learning how to care for bonsai trees. With regular pruning, you can create almost any style you like. Just make sure to keep the soil well drained and water consistently. 2. Japanese maple bonsai. Acer. Next is the Japanese maple. Its vibrant seasonal colors make it a favorite for beginners and experts alike. Japanese maples thrive in outdoor environments with partial sunlight and good airflow. They do best when you protect them from harsh winds and extreme heat, but as long as you water regularly and ensure their roots don't dry out, they'll reward you with stunning foliage. 3. Trident maple bonsai. The trident maple is another fantastic choice. This tree grows quickly, responds well to pruning, and develops a beautiful natural look. Its 3-lobed leaves turn breathtaking shades of orange and red in autumn. Trident maples love full sun, but appreciate a bit of shade in hotter climates. Keep their roots moist, and they'll thrive. 4. Pine bonsai, black or white pine. Pine bonsai trees, like black or white pines, are hardy, resilient, and iconic in the bonsai world. They grow slowly, but their strength and timeless beauty make them worth the patience. Pines do best in full sunlight and require a consistent fertilization schedule during the growing season. They're perfect for beginners looking for a traditional and long-lasting bonsai. 5. Cotoneaster bonsai. Finally, the Cotoneaster bonsai. This tree is beginner-friendly and beautiful, with small flowers in spring and bright berries in the fall. It's also naturally pest-resistant, which makes it a low-stress choice for anyone new to bonsai tree maintenance. Keep it in a sunny spot and use well-draining soil for the best results. Now that you know which trees to pick, here are 3 essential tips to keep your outdoor bonsai healthy. 1. Water. Wisely, outdoor bonsai tend to dry out faster, so check the soil daily. Water when the top layer feels dry, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. 2. Protect against extreme weather. Too much sun or frost can damage your tree. Use shade cloth in summer and mulch around the roots in winter for extra protection. 3. Feed regularly. Follow a bonsai fertilization guide during the growing season to give your tree the nutrients it needs for strong growth. With these simple tips, even the most delicate-looking bonsai can thrive outdoors. Starting your bonsai journey doesn't have to be difficult. With hardy species like boxwood, Japanese maple, and trident maple, you can create a stunning outdoor bonsai collection with ease. Which of these trees are you most excited to try? Or do you already have a favorite outdoor bonsai? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from the bonsai community. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly bonsai tips. Be sure to check out our other videos for step-by-step guides, styling techniques, and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time at the Bonsai Barn.